Samsung is about to make more changes in the world of smartphones. Leaks show that the Galaxy S26 series will have a very different look than previous models, which had flat backs and moving lenses. Yes, the camera bump may be coming back in a big way. The first demo units have just been released, giving us an amazing first look at what may be the next generation of flagships. The Galaxy S26 Pro, the S26 Edge, and the powerful S26 Ultra are the three beautiful new models that will be released. All of them should take off in February 2026. And from what we can tell, Samsung is not scared off. It is said that the Galaxy S26 Pro and S26 Ultra will have Samsung's signature style, but with a new twist. A camera island on the back that looks like the famous Galaxy S series. On the other hand, the Galaxy S26 Edge looks like it was influenced by Apple's iPhone 17 Pro. It has a big left-right camera island that takes up almost 30% of the top panel, which is a very expensive and futuristic design choice. Sony Dixon mock-ups that got out also showed that the S26 Ultra will have softer, rounder sides than the S25 Ultra, which had sharp, boxy edges. The Ultra may finally get a camera bump for its main lenses, but the LED flash and secondary rings will stay separate for a clean, elegant look. The camera sensor layout is mostly the same as the S25 series. The best part is now here. For the Ki 2, Samsung might be bringing out full-fledged wireless charge. Magnets are built into the leak units. This means that charging wirelessly could be faster, more efficient, and not need any extra parts. Remember that these are just early prototypes that give us our first look at Samsung's big new plan. People are really excited, even though the finished designs for commercial use may still change. This is what's clear. Samsung looks like it's ready to change the way flagships look, combining ideas from rivals with its own new ideas. So without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.